3 assets I'm buying for my son that aren't toys.
3 assets I'm going to buy my son that aren't toys. Number 1.
See this brand, you love their games, right? Instead of buying the toy, we buy a piece of the company.
Yeah, so I own it now.
Buying stock in brands that he is obsessed with, or better yet, buying ETFs that he's obsessed with, the brands that he knows: Nike, Amazon, Apple, iTunes, Spotify. Buying ETFs that have those brands in them. Number 2, money making skills. Allowances are dangerous because they get you in the habit of waiting long periods of time for someone else to pay you.
We don't wait for an allowance or a paycheck. We make our own money. See a need, fill it.
So I could start a lawn service.
That's my boy.
Help him with money making skills. Whether it's buying him a set of clippers and getting him on his way to becoming a barber, or getting him a subscription so he can learn how to code, or into a coding program, or whether it's getting him software so he can learn how to edit, or better yet, whether it's getting him really into AI so he can use that to make money. Whatever it is, teaching him money making skills, and also another thing, teaching him how to sell. And one of the most underrated things is teaching him how to sell, the importance of being able to sell himself, selling a product, just learning the ability to communicate. Number 3, the cheat code, the library, biographies.
School teaches compliance. You need to teach them greatness.
Right.
Most kids' books are fluff, sugar for the brain. You want to give them the blueprints of men who actually won.
Yeah.
Most of the books that they read when they're younger or even getting older are fluff, are sugar. We need to give our sons the blueprint to success, and those are biographies. Give him books, hardcover books, nonfiction books on men who succeeded, whether it's in sports, whether it's in business, whether it's in life. Give him those assets, and also give him books of men who failed and then succeeded, because a lot of men don't do anything because they're afraid to fail. And there's nothing wrong with failing. Failing is just learning how to make something work.